We are following up on a story that's literally just kind of lingered in the air for years.
Sure has. Neighbors in Jacksonville's Murray Hill community say this strong chemical smell is continuing to plague their neighborhood, and they're taking their fight to court. Next week, a judge will decide whether their lawsuit against International Flavors and Fragrances can move forward as a class action. Our Freha Abrar breaks down what's happened over the past 5 years for the lawsuit to get to this point.
When you come home from working all day to your house, the last thing that you want to do is not be able to sit outside and play with your kids, take your dog for a walk, or go for a jog.
If there was a way for you to sniff this scene through the screen, you'd smell a sharp, chemical, almost pine-like odor hanging in the air. After years of complaints and 2 cease-and-desist orders, the lawsuit against International Flavors and Fragrances, known as IFF, is heading back to court.
Now, the pining smells very similar to pine sol, and that's the complaint we hear most.
IFF operates a facility on Lane Avenue near multiple factories. Residents say the facility's chemical processes release overwhelming odors that make it difficult to breathe and live comfortably.
And even worse, here what we know from people is that when they go inside, the smell oftentimes follows them in and it permeates their home.
The city's Environmental Quality Division previously cited IFF for violations, verifying the company as the source of, quote, objectionable orders per a cease and desist order. After years of filings, dismissals, and too many complaints to count, a judge will decide on Monday whether this case moves forward as a class action lawsuit, which could allow lawyers to begin pushing for damages and stronger environmental controls at the IFF plant. Reporting in Murray Hill, Freha Abrar, First Coast News, on your side.
And we did reach out to the lawyers filing the lawsuit for a comment, and we are waiting to hear back. We also reached out to International Flavors and Fragrances. They have not responded.